Yamaha TMAX 560 2020 on review. A much sportier ride.
We've never embraced maxi scooters like the Yamaha T Max 560 in the UK, but in mainland Europe, especially in France and Italy, they're everywhere.
This bike's a replacement for the 2012 T Max 500.
Think of the T Max as the ultimate high-speed commuting tool, a fast, practical, jam-busting alternative to a car or expensive annual train ticket. It's also a two-up holiday buddy that will swallow your groceries 1 minute and scratch ably through backroads the next.
Ride quality and brakes. Buried beneath its boomerang-shaped bodywork is a twin-spar aluminium frame, which is the secret to the T Max's motorcycle-like handling.
It also wears upside-down forks, a single rear shock, preload and rebound adjustable on the top spec TMAX, 15 inches wheels and 4-piston radial brakes. That's all unchanged for 2020, but suspension gets stiffer springs at each end and revised damping, giving the Yamaha even more poise and sharper steering for when you're feeling racy. Never underestimate the speed of a well-ridden T Max, but for cruising and around town it's comfortable, light steering and easy to ride.
Engine. Increasing capacity seems to be the way manufacturers are hitting their Euro 5 emissions targets without sacrificing power, and the T Max motor grows from 530 cubic centimeters to 562 cubic centimeters of power, is up 2 brake horsepower to an A2 license-friendly 47 brake horsepower and torque boosted by 6%. The parallel twin also gets bigger intake valves, new 2mm wider forged ollie pistons, con rods, camshaft, a lighter crank, improved cooling, new throttle body, injectors, air filter and a twin cat Euro 5 exhaust. CVT gearing is tweaked for stronger acceleration and a lower rev cruising speed. Yamaha claimed 1.0 fuel consumption and a couple more mph top speed. Reliability and build quality.
The T Max is screwed together with the same love, care and attention as any of the Japanese firm's motorcycles. It's robust and won't let you down, but ridden through winter the exhaust and center stand can rust.
Our Yamaha T Max 560 owner's reviews show a happy owner who wants a bit more power for the price.
Fred thinks the fact it's A2 compliant will put a lot of seasoned riders off the T Max 560. The T Max is screwed together with the same love, care and attention as any of the Japanese firm's motorcycles. It's robust and won't let you down, but ridden through winter the exhaust and center stand can rust. Value versus rivals. In top-spec TMAX trim, it's significantly more expensive than its rivals, but when you look at the top-level equipment and performance you get for the money, it's easier to justify the cost. Oil services are every 3,000 miles, so you'll be seeing your dealer more than you'd like, and insurance generally isn't too scary, unless you live in London.
The Yamaha T Max 560 has rivals including the Honda XADV, Kymco EGA 550, Suzuki Bergman 400 and the BMW Seat 650 GT. Equipment. The top-spec TMAX takes over from the current DX with a November 2019 launch cost of £11,649, £10,199 for the base model, and comes with the same array of bells and whistles, 2 power modes, Tour and Sport, the only one you actually need, an electric screen, cruise and traction control, heated grips and seat, keyless ignition, ABS and a multifunction digital display.